You got me saying my. These potatoes are good tonight. Look, y'all, what's up? What's up? This your boy Ray Mack. This is what I want you guys to do, right? I want you to do me a favor. Check out this here channel, Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Today, I want to show you how to do some roasted garlic bacon potato wedges, y'all. And I'm talking about these are good. So, with this here recipe, I'm guaranteeing you that once you try this here recipe, you will never go back to another baked potato recipe as long as you live. Why? Because right now, these are the best potato wedges on the planet. But I need you guys to go ahead and check out this here video. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video to see how we created these here garlic butter baked potato wedges. Good. Hey YouTube family, what's going on? This your boy Ray Mack. This is what we've got as far as the ingredients goes. I got about 3 bacon potatoes. These potatoes that I already had, and I had to hurry up and get rid of these because you know what'll happen to baked potatoes once they sit around. Now, with that being said, I also have at least around about 3 tablespoons of salted butter, and I have at least around about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And this is another thing that we're going to use some garlic powder. And then on top of that, we're going to add some salt with this as well. And then we're going to add us some chopped parsley. Now, the first thing that I went and I did, and I heated up my oven to about 450 degrees. So I went and rinsed my potatoes and I pat them dry with a paper towel. And then with that, I sliced these up into horizontal slices. All right. So once I've sliced my potatoes up, I went and I took my cast iron skillet, heated it over high heat, medium high heat, and I melt the butter. Along with the butter being melted, I added on my crushed garlic, and I crushed each clove of garlic in a garlic press. And then I went and I added the potatoes to the garlic and butter. And then I stirred it for a few times, making sure that I can get an even coat with this. Now, as you can see, I'm using my hands to move these potato wedges around. And I just want you guys to be safe whenever you're doing this, okay? Because these potatoes were pretty much large for this skillet. So I kind of find it to be a little bit easier for me to use my hand versus a utensil. So whatever you do, you be careful when doing this. Now, since I got this covered up with the butter and garlic, I went on and I added the garlic powder along with some salt to this. Now, another thing that I added to this here is I used some of this here onion butter. This is some butter onion from Fire and Smoke Society. Now, you can find this type of stuff at Walmart, okay? And I'm not being sponsored by them at all. Now, once I finish allowing this to pretty much brown up on top of the stove for a few more minutes, after that, I'm going to toss them in the oven. I want to toss them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then I want to continue to turn these potatoes till I get a nice little brown coating on them. Now, once I've get them coated and browned up, I want to take them out of the oven, because when they're browned and tender and cooked through, they're ready to go. Now, after that, I want to take my chopped parsley and then spread it evenly on top of these here potatoes, and then I want to serve these babies up immediately. Why? Because these are some good tasting and good looking potatoes. Now, I want you to please give this here recipe a try, and I guarantee you can't go wrong with this here recipe. Tell me right now, what is your best way of cooking baked potatoes in the oven? Please share your recipe with me below in the comment section, and I would love to give your recipe a try. I want to say thank you guys so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Whatever you do, please comment on this here video. Let me know how much you appreciate the video or like the video. Then I want you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But most of all, I want you to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and become a Ray Mack's family member. And whatever you can do, please join the membership of Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.